You know, we gotta keep these lips luscious. 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 Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Annabelle of Lebanna Beauty. What it do, what it do, how you doing? It's been a while. So today is going to be a quick, you know, get ready with me. Let's glam this face for no reason, and then chit chat, get ready with me at the same time. I'm just going to be talking about some issues that I've been seeing around. One of them being this new YouTube rule. Like, YouTube, I don't get it. I don't really get it. It's okay though, like, I mean, I get it, but like, it's annoying, you know? I see where they're coming from. It makes some sense, but it's life. We just have to deal with it. So I'm just going to be talking about that, and also talking about this new Tarte foundation. Like, Tarte, how far? How far you? How swelly? How? Like, I don't get it, but like, it's okay. We're also going to be talking about that in this video. So without further ado, let's get into the glam. Okay, so I'm back with my eyebrows done and my skin is in prime, my eyelids are prepped, so I'm going to start with the eyeshadow as per usual. So first of all, I'm just going to say welcome to all my newbies, all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for joining the Annabelle squad, the Lebanna squad. If you don't know, my name is Annabelle. That's my actual name. Lebanna is just Annabelle spelled backwards. Annabelle Lebanna. Easy. But yeah, so thank you so much for joining, and I'm really happy everyone is here now. So let's start talking about this first YouTube new, like, so when I first joined YouTube, it was in like May. No, I lied, like July or June. And I just joined because, you know, YouTube was fun. I made an Instagram first and was doing pretty well. So I was like, okay, let's do YouTube because Instagram tutorials are way too short. So I joined YouTube and it was all fun and games. Obviously, I knew people could make money off of it because I followed Aina's life religiously. So I know how that works. Anyway, so I joined and I was like, okay, you know, this would be fun. Makeup was my favorite pastime. Well, it still is. So I was like, okay, you know, YouTube will be a fun way to, you know, express my passion, as some say. And so I started a YouTube account. It was fun. It was growing. And I was like, okay, how do people make money on this? I wasn't really sure. So I went to check the whole monetization thing, and I approved the AdSense, you know, all those regular stuff, sha. I did all of that, and then it says you had to get to 10,000 views before your application can be reviewed. I was like, okay, like that shouldn't be too hard. So I thought it was pretty hard. It takes a lot to get to 10,000 views, and I was at like 7,000 something, so I was getting really close. A few more videos and I would have been approved. So one morning or afternoon, I was just checking how many channel views I had, just randomly. I don't check it often, but I decided to check that day, and it said I had 7,000. I was really close and all of that. And then next thing you know, my friend Ebisan, I'll link his channel up here or here, I'm not sure which side, but I'll link his channel there. He also started YouTube around the same time I started, so we're both, you know, upcoming YouTubers as such and stuff. So he sent me a screenshot and I was like, oh my gosh, YouTube is like, they've changed all their rules and stuff. And I was like, nah, maybe it's just your channel, because bro, I was just on mine this afternoon and that was not the case. I didn't even close the tab. I just went out. It wasn't even the afternoon, it was evening. I went out to pick up my friend from the bus station. I came right back and I clicked refresh. Literally everything had changed, and it became, you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Bruh. I mean, I know that with the amount of subscribers I had, even if I was approved for AdSense, I would barely be making any money. Like, it'll be like chicken change. Well, at least, you know, it's something. It's like an incentive to keep going. But with this new rule, I get it. Like, they want to only pay people who make enough content and quality enough content that people care to watch. Makes sense, but it's very discouraging for small YouTubers. And it's just, I won't say unfair. It's like, the money wouldn't really do much for me either way. Like, I have an actual job, so this is actually just my hobby. But it's like, you know, what if I had decided to close everything down and say I want to focus on YouTube? That means for months to even possibly years I would be making absolutely no money. I mean, I get their point, I get where their head is at. It's not really a bad idea, but it's just not very encouraging. But such is life, for real. Okay. And yeah, we'll be fine. We'll all be fine. Hashtag small YouTubers unite. If we all subscribe to each other, I'm telling you guys, we'll pass all their numbers because we're many. Yeah. Oh my gosh, the other day I was just on YouTube randomly and the Tarte foundation launched. The Tarte what's it called again? Shape Tape foundation launch, and I was really excited because I had just come back from New Jersey a few weeks ago and my cousin had the Shape Tape foundation. She didn't really like it because she said it was like too thick and blah blah blah. But you know, your girl's all about the thickness and the coverage, and so I tried it and I actually liked it because it had a lot of coverage. It was really thick. I didn't even have to wait for it to get tacky to get the amount of coverage that I wanted. And so I was like, okay, I'm going to go get it from an Ulta when I have time. And then they launched a new foundation. I was like, yes, you know, yes, we move. New foundation, I'm going to get it, obviously, because I wanted to do a review and I was also going to get the foundation and possibly like get a palette. And if I like it, I'll keep it. If not, I'll return it and do like a whole face using Tarte type thing. And I was like, yes, you know, I can finally do that. And then I saw the swatches. At first I thought it was a joke. I thought it was like going to be half, another half, like, you know how it was a gradient meant to be. I thought, okay, maybe there'll be more coming out, like another picture coming out for the other half of the dark skin gradient, but that was it. They only had 3 colors. I'm going to insert the picture of the gradient right here. 3 colors, and I was like, wait, these people must be having a laugh, like they're joking. And then people started getting their PR packages, and Aina and Alyssa Ashley got theirs, and I was just like, wait, what? And I watched their video and I was like, okay, like, let's see what they have to say. I've seen the shades. I was hoping that there'll be more. I didn't pay much attention to it. And then they did their video and lo and behold, those were the only shades Tarte released. Like, those were the only shades. And then they made an Instagram story apologizing for, you know, the mess up and the issues, and that they're going to fix it, and all this English that they were speaking. I'm just like, first of all, Instagram story, how disrespectful. Like, how can you just equate a whole race to only a whole race of, like, a whole broad spectrum of people to only 3 shades of foundation? And as if that's not bad enough, you owe them an apology, obviously, and you decide to put that apology on your Instagram story. We have suffered. We have suffered. Oh, we have suffered. I was just like, you're joking. Like, this has to be a joke. These people they're not serious. Like, it's a joke. It's meant to be like a scheme. But that was all we got. An Instagram story. Then they disabled the comments under the picture for the foundation, and that was it. And it's really crazy. I can't even just go and buy the foundation, the concealer. Like, I can't. They just won't let us enjoy things. Like, the concealer, apparently the shades are also trash, but like, there's a shade that works for my skin tone, and now I can't buy it because Tarte messed up big time. And it's sad that I'm sure they're not going to lose any money from even with this mess up, but at least we can all do our part to make the change and start the conversation. And so my part is that I'm not going to buy the foundation or the concealer until they give a proper apology and then try to right their wrongs. Yes, I don't really know what I'm doing with this eyeshadow, honestly. It's just like a brown smoky eye, and I think it's going left, but we'll be all right. I decided to go ahead and wet my brush. Hopefully that'll make this eyeshadow pick up better. I don't know if it's not picking up or if it's just because like it's like my skin almost. Oh yeah, it's picking up a lot better. I just need to wet my brush. False alarm. See girls, let me tell you something. The secret is, when in doubt of your eye makeup look, pop on some bomb lashes and you're good to go. Good to go. this is the eye look. It's all complete. And get that neck, baby girl. You don't want that line of demarcation. I saw someone on Instagram the other day and they were wearing makeup and it was really crazy because I took a picture, you know, one of those head up pictures, and there was literally a line right there and I was like, oh, cringe. May there never be us in Jesus' name. 2018, may your wing be sharp, your concealer be creaseless and blended, your foundation be flawless, your eyeshadow be cut short. Come on. Jesus. Like Bobrisky. Oh, my skin. My skin is looking amazing. My skin. Oh my. I love him. That guy kills me. Today we're going to be using La Peach. La Peach. La Peach. So after about 1,000 snap videos of me feeling myself and playing some nice music, I decided to come back and I said I'm going to leave this lip matte because I've never liked a lip color this much in a while. I haven't, and it's really doing a lot for me right now and I love the way it looks. So I don't want to take no chances. I don't want to try gloss and not like it. Maybe I'll try it after I'm done with my outro, my slow-mo, my snaps, everything. And if I like it more, then I'll do it for my next video. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. This was meant to be a chit chat get ready with me, but ended up being a tutorial. But I'm still going to leave it to chit chat get ready with me because I chatted a little bit at the beginning. But I'm going to leave the info and the names of everything I use in the description box. I wish I was a little more explanatory with the eyes, but it's literally the easiest thing ever. I'll just leave like the names and the colors of each thing I'm using as the video goes on. But yeah, I really like how it looks. Like my eyes look so neutral yet so pretty, and these lashes are really giving me life. I can't wait for you guys to find out what lashes these are. I shan't be disclosing, but no juice, no tea, some juice. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm really feeling super cute right now. I don't know what I changed in my makeup routine that's really changing my life, and this glow is also life-changing. Shout out to La Peach. But thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye. They say you like cassava, he gets big cassava, baby,